Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make neem oil. Now this is a very simple recipe and I've been using it for a few months now, and I just wanted to make sure that it did have beneficial factors as it contributed to my natural hair before I advertised it on my channel. So the main ingredient I'm going to be using are neem leaves, and neem consistently helps to promote healthy, thicker, stronger, longer hair. Neem is also beneficial because it has regenerative properties that help to support healthy cell division, and it also helps to stimulate hair follicle growth and function, which is great for our natural hair journey. And it also contains several fatty acids that are going to help to nourish and condition the scalp and hair. And neem also helps to moisturize and revitalize and restore the hair, especially dry hair, and it's going to give you a nice, smoother, healthy texture. And those are just some of the benefits that neem has to offer for our hair. So I am going to pour about a cup of these neem leaves into this little blender. And I wanted to make a paste of the neem leaves, so I'm going to add a little bit of water just to help the process. And once the neem leaves have been blended down into this paste-like consistency, I'm going to pour it into this little bowl. And here's how the consistency should look. And the last ingredient I'm going to be using is coconut oil. Now I know for some of you coconut oil does not work well in your hair, so instead you can use almond oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, or olive oil. Coconut oil has provided so many great benefits for my hair, such as smoothness, resilience, softness. Also, it helps to encourage healthy hair growth, and it prevents hair breakage, and it also has a lot of scalp benefits as well. And for the recipe, I will be using about 1.5 cups of coconut oil. To make this powerful oil, I am going to put all of the coconut oil into this glass bowl, and I am going to put it on top of this boiling pot of water, but I am going to turn the heat down just so I can really melt the coconut oil a lot better. Once the coconut oil has been melted and liquefied, I am going to pour in the neem leaf paste. I am going to stir the neem leaf paste in with the coconut oil for a consistent 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of consistently stirring, here's how the oil looks. So I really want the neem leaves to penetrate into the coconut oil and to get all of the nutrients in, so it could be really beneficial for the hair. So I am going to leave the bowl on the pot for about 10 minutes longer. And this is the color I'm going for. So you see that the oil has really taken on the neem leaves, all the nourishment, and has developed a darker green color. I am going to strain the oil just because I want all of the liquid. And this is all that is left over after I have strained the oil. And as you can see, there is just a little bit of the remnants at the bottom of the measuring cup, which is okay. I am going to store the oil into this mason jar. And here is this simple neem oil. So this has so many great benefits for my hair, and as I've already mentioned, if coconut oil does not work for you, there are so many other carrier oils that you can use. But I am going to pour this oil into this applicator bottle because I am going to be using it today, and I find that this is the easiest way for me to apply oil to my scalp and my hair. And the oil is ready to use. I did make another batch of this oil, and this time I added more of the remnants to the oil because I wanted to be more potent while I'm not using it. I wanted to really marinate and to still cook. I did add more oils and more fresh neem leaves. So this oil will be sitting for a few weeks until I'm finished using the first batch, and as you can see, it is really dark in color and all the neem leaves are at the bottom. If you decide to give this recipe a shot, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!